In our textbook, after nomenclature, there is given use your brain power. In this question is write IUPAC names of the following compounds. There are 6 compounds are given. Name of these compounds are like this. First is CH3 CHBr CH3. Name of this compound is 2-bromopropane. Second structure is given or formula is given CH3 CH CH3 CH2I. Name of this compound is 1-iodo-2-methyl propane. Third example is CH3 single bond CH double bond CH single bond CH2Cl. The numbering is given from the right to left. Therefore, the name of this compound is 1-chloro-but-2-ene. Fourth example is given CH3 single bond C triple bond C CH2Br. Again numbering is given from the right to left. Therefore, name of this compound is 1-bromo-but-2-yne. Fifth example is to the benzene ring Br is attached. Name of this compound is bromobenzene. And sixth is to benzene ring, 2 bromine atoms are attached at para positions of each other. Therefore, IUPAC name is 1,4-dibromobenzene. After this, homework is given to you for on the nomenclature. Question number 1. For question number 1, write the structures of the following compounds. In this, we have to given the names like A, B, C to P. You also give a name like 1 to 15. Nearly about 15 compounds are given to you for the homework, and write their structures. Write down these compounds. 2-iodo-3-methyl pentane. First. Second, 3-chlorohexane. Third, 1-chloro-2,2-dimethyl propane. Fourth, 1-chloro-4-ethyl cyclohexane. Fifth, isobutyl bromide. Sixth, 1-bromo-2,2,4,4 tetramethyl pentane. Seventh, 1-chloro-3,3-dimethyl butane. Eighth, tertiary pentyl bromide. Ninth, 2-bromo-3-ethyl 2-methyl hexane. 10th, 1,1,1 trichloroethane. 11th, 1-bromo-4-methyl pentane. 12th, 3-bromo-2-chloropentane. 13, 1,3-dichloropropane. 14, 1,3,5-tribromobenzene. 15, 1,1-dichloropropane, and 16, 2,3-dichlorobutane. These are the structures given to you for homework. Then question second is write the possible isomers of monochloro derivatives of 2,3-dimethyl butane and write their IUPAC name. I have prepared the solution for this question. First, we have to write the structure of 2,3-dimethyl butane. Then write the molecular formula of that hydrocarbon. From the structure, that is, first we have to draw the structure for the 2,3-dimethyl butane. This is the structure, and from this structure we have to find out the molecular formula of the parent hydrocarbon, and that formula is C6H14. We have to prepare the monochloro derivative of this hydrocarbon. Means one hydrogen atom is replaced by one chlorine atom. Therefore, the monochloro derivative of this compound means C6H14 has the molecular formula C6H13Cl. This is the monochloro derivative of 2,3-dimethyl butane. Then we have to write the possible isomers of this monochloro derivative of 2,3-dimethyl butane like this. The structures of possible isomers of monochloro derivatives of 2,3-dimethyl butane and their IUPAC names are as follows. There are only 2 isomers are possible. In first isomer, we have to replace the hydrogen atom from this CH3 group by the Cl atom. Therefore, name of this compound is 1-chloro-2,3-dimethyl butane. And in second isomer, the hydrogen atom from this carbon atom is replaced by the Cl. Therefore, the name of this compound is 2-chloro-2,3-dimethyl butane. Hence, C6H13Cl has the two isomers like 1 and 2. Then third question for the homework is write the structures and IUPAC names of possible isomers of C5H11Br and classify them as primary, secondary and tertiary. This question is for you, and prepare this question carefully and write down the answers. Now we have to see the methods of preparation of alkyl halides, that is RX. Alkyl halides, they are prepared by using the main three methods, that is from alcohols, from hydrocarbons and by halogen exchange method. In first method, that is from alcohols, there are three sub methods by using halogen acid or hydrogen halide. Second, by using phosphorus halides, means PX3 and PX5, and third by using thionyl chloride SOCl2. Second, from hydrocarbons, here we have to see the method like addition of HX to alkenes, and third method for the preparation of alkyl halide is by halogen exchange method. Then we have to see the methods of preparation of aryl halides or haloarenes, that is ARX. The first method for the preparation of aryl halides is by electrophilic substitution, and second method is Sandmeyer's reaction. Now we have to see the first method, that is preparation of alkyl halides from alcohols having the general formula ROH. This is the most widely used method for the preparation of alkyl halides. In this method, the OH group of alcohol can be replaced by the halogen atom. That is, reaction is ROH minus OH plus X. It gives the alkyl halide RX. Here OH group of an alcohol is replaced by halogen atom by using number 1 hydrogen halide or halogen acid, that is HX. Second, phosphorus halides, and third is thionyl chloride. First we have to see the first sub method, that is from alcohols by using halogen acid or hydrogen halide. When alcohols reacts with hydrogen halide to give the alkyl halides and water, ROH plus HX, it gives RX plus H2O. Here HX used may be HCl, HBr or HI. In A method, the reaction of alcohols with HCl. In place of HX, we have to use the HCl, hydrochloric acid. Therefore, there is the preparation of RCl, that is alkyl chloride. General reaction is alcohol when reacts with HCl, it gives RCl plus H2O. Means from alcohol by using HCl, we have to prepare the RCl, means alkyl chloride. For primary and secondary alcohols, Lucas reagent means the mixture of concentrated solution of HCl and zinc chloride. This mixture is called Lucas reagent is used, and for tertiary alcohols only concentrated HCl is used. There is no need to use the catalyst like ZnCl to zinc chloride because they are highly reactive. In case of primary and secondary alcohols, catalyst ZnCl2 is used because they are less reactive. For example, number 1, when ethyl alcohol reacts with hydrogen chloride in the presence of anhydrous ZnCl2 gives ethyl chloride. This is the example of primary alcohol. Therefore, in addition to HCl, anhydrous ZnCl2 is used as a catalyst. Therefore, the reaction becomes CH3CH2OH, means ethyl alcohol when reacts with HCl in the presence of anhydrous ZnCl2, it gives the product CH3CH2Cl, ethyl chloride, IUPAC name chloroethane, and byproduct is H2O. This is the example of primary alcohol, that is ethyl alcohol. Therefore, ZnCl2 is used as a catalyst. Second example is of secondary alcohol. When isopropyl alcohol reacts with concentrated HCl in the presence of anhydrous ZnCl2 gives isopropyl chloride. Isopropyl chloride is an example of secondary alcohol. because OH group is attached to the secondary carbon atom. Name of this compound is isopropyl alcohol. It is also less reactive, therefore anhydrous ZnCl2 is used as a catalyst. Here the OH group is replaced by the Cl atom, therefore formed compound is CH3CHCl plus H2O isopropyl chloride. Name of IUPAC name is 2-chloropropane. But tertiary butyl alcohol, that is the example of tertiary alcohol, because the OH group is attached to the tertiary carbon atom. There is no need of presence of catalyst like ZnCl2. Only the tertiary butyl alcohol reacts with concentrated HCl even at room temperature to form the compound, that is tertiary butyl chloride. And this is the reaction for CH3 3 times COH reacts with only concentrated HCl even at room temperature. There is no need of catalyst like anhydrous ZnCl2. It gives the compound. OH is replaced by Cl, therefore the compound formed is called tertiary butyl chloride. B reaction is reaction of alcohols with HBr, means there is the formation of alkyl bromide products. Alkyl bromides, they are prepared by heating alcohols with concentrated hydrobromic acid, HBr. HBr being unstable, this compound is less stable or unstable, therefore it is prepared by creating sodium bromide, NaBr, with concentrated H2SO4 in situ. Here the general reaction is like ROH plus HBr. This HBr is prepared by using NaBr plus concentrated H2SO4 and hit that reaction. This OH group is replaced by the Br atom and the product formed is called RBr plus H2O, that is alkyl bromide. Here example is CH3CH2OH plus HBr. NaBr plus H2SO4 is used for the preparation of HBr. Hit that reaction. The OH group is replaced by Br and the product formed is CH3CH2Br plus H2O. The third reaction is reaction of alcohols with HI. HI, here the preparation of Ri means alkyl iodides. Alkyl iodides, they are prepared by heating alcohols with concentrated hydroiodic acid means HI. ROH plus HI, hit that reaction. This OH group is replaced by R and there is a preparation of Ri means alkyl iodide plus byproduct H2O. Good if we have to obtain the good yield of alkyl iodide, then it may be obtained by heating the alcohols with sodium or potassium iodide in 95% phosphoric acid H3PO4. HI is generated in situ. Here ROH plus HI in the presence of NaI plus H3PO4, hit that reaction. We have to obtain the Ri in the good yield by using NaI and phosphoric acid. Here also byproduct is H2O. For example, CH2OH plus HI, hit that reaction. We have obtained the product, that is OH group is replaced by I, ethyl iodide plus H2O. For the reaction of alcohols with HX, the reactivity of alcohols with halogen acid is like this. Tertiary alcohols, they are more reactive than the secondary. Secondary alcohols, they are more reactive than the primary. Here first sub method is over. Then second sub method from alcohols by using the phosphorus halides, that is PX3 and PX5. Here in this reaction the PX3 used is PCl3, PBr3 and PI3, but PCl3 is a stable product. PBr3 and PI3, they are less stable than the PCl3. Reaction of alcohols with PCl3 means there is the preparation of product like RCl means alkyl chlorides. When alcohols refluxed with or heated with phosphorus trichloride gives alkyl chloride. 3ROH, here you have to take for PCl3, PBr3 and PI3, the three molecules of alcohols. PCl3 reacts with these alcohols, hit that reaction. This OH group is replaced by the Cl. We have to obtain the three molecules of RCl and byproduct is H3PO3, that is phosphorus acid. Example is 3 molecules of C2H5OH plus PCl3. Hit that reaction. We have to obtain the 3 molecules of ethyl chloride C2H5Cl plus byproduct H3PO3. Then reaction of alcohols with PBr3 and PI3. Both we have to taken at the same time. Alkyl bromides and alkyl iodides, they are prepared by the action of bromine or iodine, bromine and iodine in the presence of red phosphorus on alcohols in situ. In this reaction, PBr3 and PI3 are formed and they are used when they reacts with alcohols. We have to obtain the products alkyl bromides and alkyl iodides. In this case also PBr3 means phosphorus tribromide is used, but this phosphorus tribromide is less stable, therefore it is prepared by the action of bromine on red phosphorus, and this PBr3 then reacts with our alcohols and product obtained is called alkyl bromide. In this reaction also we have to take the 3 molecules of alcohol, it reacts with PBr3 in the presence of P plus Br2, PBr3 is obtained. Here obtained product is RBr, 3 molecules of RBr, that is alkyl bromide, and byproduct is H3PO3. Example, ethyl alcohol reacts with PBr3, it gives 3 molecules of ethyl bromide. Here PI3 again prepared by the action of iodine on red phosphorus. PI3 is obtained and this obtained PI3 reacts with our alcohols, give the product alkyl iodide. Here example, C2H5OH, 3 molecules of alcohols react with PI3, it gives the 3 molecules of ethyl iodide. Again the byproduct is same like H3PO3. Here we have to give a note for this, like PBr3 and PI3 they are less stable, hence they are prepared in situ by the action of bromine and iodine in the presence of red phosphorus. Next we have to see the reaction of PCl5, phosphorus pentachloride on alcohols. We have to obtain the product, again they are called alkyl chlorides, that are RCl. When alcohols refluxed or heated with PCl5, that is phosphorus pentachloride, gives the product alkyl chlorides. Reaction like this general reaction, ROH plus PCl5, hit that reaction, we have to obtain the main product, that is RCl, that is alkyl chloride, and byproduct like SCl and POCl3. Here 2 byproducts are obtained, SCl and POCl3. POCl3 is called phosphorus oxychloride. Example is ethyl alcohol reacts with PCl5, it gives C2H5Cl. Byproducts are SCl and POCl3. This is the B sub method for the preparation of alkyl chlorides, alkyl bromides and alkyl iodides. Third sub method is reaction of alcohols with thionyl chloride. This thionyl chloride is also called sulfonyl chloride. Formula of this sulfonyl chloride is SOCl2. Here we have to obtain the products, they are called RCl, again alkyl chlorides. When alcohols refluxed with thionyl chloride to give alkyl chlorides, here the byproducts, 2 byproducts are obtained, SO2 and SCl. Both these byproducts, they are in the gases, they are in the gaseous form, which escape out from the reaction mixtures, and the alkyl chloride formed is in pure condition. Therefore this is the best method for the preparation of alkyl chlorides, because in this reaction, if you have to see the general reaction like ROH plus SOCl2, reflux this reaction or hit that reaction, main product obtained is alkyl chloride. 2 byproducts are obtained, they are present in the gaseous state, therefore they are escape out from the reaction mixture, and only RCl is remaining in that reaction mixture, therefore it is the pure product. Therefore this method is called the best method for the preparation of alkyl chlorides. Example, C2H5OH, ethyl alcohol reacts with thionyl chloride, reflux that reaction or hit that reaction, it gives C2H5Cl, that is ethyl chloride. Byproduct is SO2 gas and SCl gas. This is our first method for the preparation of alkyl halides from alcohols. We have to see three sub methods A, B and C. Second method is called the method that is from hydrocarbons. We have to prepare the alkyl halides. Alkyl halides, they are formed from saturated as well as unsaturated hydrocarbons. Halogenation of alkanes. Saturated hydrocarbon example is alkanes. Halogenation of alkanes is not a suitable method for the preparation of alkyl halides, as there is a mixture of mono, di, tri and polyhalogen compounds are formed, and that from reaction mixture we have not able to obtain only the monohalogen derivative. Therefore this is not the suitable method for the preparation of alkyl halides. And second method is, or we have to see the main method that is from hydrocarbons in detail. That method is called by addition of hydrogen halides, means HX, to alkenes. Alkenes is the example of unsaturated hydrocarbons, and to that unsaturated hydrocarbon alkenes, when we have to add the hydrogen halide HX, we have to obtain the products that are called alkyl halides. Alkyl halides are obtained when hydrogen halides, that is hydrogen chloride, hydrogen bromide or hydrogen iodide, are treated with alkenes. In this reaction, addition of HX takes place across the double bond in alkenes. Where addition takes place, double bond is present between the two carbon atoms. At that carbon atoms, addition of HX takes place to obtain the products alkyl halides. The order of reactivity of halogen acids is HI is more reactive than HBr and HBr is more reactive than HCl. Here we have to see the two types of alkenes. We have to know symmetrical and unsymmetrical. Therefore there are two methods, again two methods of addition of HX to the alkenes. First is addition of HX to symmetrical alkenes and second is addition of HX to unsymmetrical alkenes. We know what is the meaning of symmetrical and unsymmetrical alkenes. The addition of hydrogen halides to symmetrical alkenes gives only one product. If HX is added to the symmetrical alkenes, we have to obtain only one product. Phenethylene reacts with hydrogen chloride, it gives the ethyl bromide. Ethylene is one of the example of symmetrical alkene. CH2 double bond CH2 plus HCl. Across this double bond, carbon double bond carbon, to one carbon H is added and to another carbon Cl is added. Therefore CH2 is converted into CH3, double bond is converted into single bond, and to this CH2 Cl is attached. Therefore product obtained is CH3CH2Cl, that is ethyl chloride, that is chloroethane. This is an example of symmetrical alkene. Therefore addition of H and Cl gives only one product, that is called ethyl chloride. Second example of addition of HX to symmetrical alkene. The second example of symmetrical alkene is but2-ene. Common name of this compound is beta-butylene. When it reacts with HI, it gives only one product, that is 2-iodobutane. Here addition of HI across the double bond takes place. To this CH, if H is added, it is converted into CH2, and to this CHI, if I is added, it is converted into CHI. We have to add I this side and CH2 this side. Then you have to obtain only one product, that is 2-iodobutane. ह्या नोट्स ह्या आतापर्यंत केलेल्या एक्सप्लेनेशनमध्ये, मेथड्स ऑफ प्रिपरेशनमध्ये तुम्हाला टेक्स्टबुकमध्ये एवढे डिटेलमध्ये रिॲक्शन दिलेल्या नाहीत. तुम्ही ह्या माझ्या प्रिपेअर केलेल्या नोट्स तुम्ही स्वतःच्या नोट्स म्हणून वापरू शकता. ह्याच्यानंतरचा जो पार्ट आहे आपण नेक्स्ट लेक्चरमध्ये घेणार आहोत, ॲडिशन ऑफ HX टू अनसिमेट्रिकल अल्केन्स. थँक्यू.